sun so hot, I remember. It's the best time of year, on the beach drinking beer. It's Christmas in Australia on the sand. Santa's sleigh don't need reindeer. The kangaroos, they bring him down here. The seagulls will flock and crocodiles rock. It's Christmas in Australia on the sand.
Because we're Aussies, now we don't call it Christmas, we call it Chrissy, and we wish you a Merry Chrissy.
Actually, you guys can help us out with this. You ready? Merry Chrissy on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Chrissy!
Beauty. And to celebrate a dinky diacracy, we might invite you over for a barbie.
To meet the Rellies, especially Granny and Aunt Nellie.
And you might like to bring a prezi of a dozen tinnies. Because us Aussies like nothing better than a coldie. Oh, g'day, Skippy.
And you don't have to get all dressy, you can wear your boardies.
With, of course, clean undies. And your sunnies.
And we have cricket and frisbees, we have bubbly and bickies, turkey and chickies, and sweeties and sleepies. That's Toby, cricket and frisbees.
And we take heaps of pickies, selfies with Toby, with Andy, with Mikey, and with Philly. Philly? Really, Philly? Yeah, with Bluey. Oh dear. Anyway, look.